Hello, champions. I hope all of you are safe. Good morning, everybody, and good morning with a good news. That is, the free class in the Byju exam prep platform is finally back. And the today from 10 a.m., that is um, just a few minutes after this, actually, I'm going to have a particular class on highway engineering, super elevation, and extra widening, the link of which I'm putting in the description. And also, tomorrow at 10 a.m., one more free class will be there. That is full concept plus problem revision on a very important topic. That is hydrograph from hydrology. So these two things will be there exclusively on the Byju's exam prep app platform. I'm expecting you everybody to join me live in both the 2 days, and I'm putting the links of both in the description of this video, and I will also upload that in my Telegram channel. I'm putting the Telegram channel link also in the description. Meeting you, and don't miss these two sessions live because these are free classes. It can be removed anytime.